Welcome to another Alex Geometry Topic instructional video by Mr. Hardy. What we're going to do here is we're going to find volume. You may have done a problem like this with surface area where we wanted to know like how much material to cover this whole thing, like wrap it like a present. But now we're going to do something different. Now we want to know, how much space, actual space, does this hold? And so we actually measure space in terms of cubic units. So it could be square or cubic feet, or cubic inches, or cubic centimeters, or cubic meters. It doesn't matter what the unit is. We just want to know how many cubes. So this is actually pretty easy to do. So the volume, in terms of the number of cubes in this solid, think of this as a solid. What we can do is let's just look at this column right here. Okay, if you just look at this column, you can see that there's 3 cubes. All right, so I'm just going to put a 3 there. But now how many columns do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it could be 3 times 10, which would be 30. Okay, so the solids is made of cubes. There's no units, I guess. So it's just 30 cubes. That's all you have to do. Okay, I think let's see, if we went 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, and then the height is 3, right? The height is 3. So 2 times or 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30. So that's another way of doing it. Let's try another one. And I'm pretty sure you can get this pretty fast. So how many cubes? This figure is a little distorted, but assume these are all the same size. How many cubes are in here? So there's lots of ways to go, but again, I'm going to just, for some reason, my eye sees the column, the one column, like that. I see that. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there's 4 cubes in a column. So how many columns are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 more back here. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So I get 4 times 12. So 4 times 12 is 48. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way might be is you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this way I counted 6, and then this way is 2. So you could say I've got 6 times 4 times 2. So 6 times 4 is 24, times 2 is 48. There's another way of doing it. Okay, good luck.